the best AI applications out there today. I'm going to show you guys how to use this application here to get the best out of it. So if you watch the video, stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very, very simple layout. And down here, you can pretty much ask the AI anything. And the plus icon, you can pretty much upload your image, take a picture, or if you have a file you want to scan, or any document, you can upload it as well. So you also have other sources which you can add to the AI searches, so it can give you a better answer to your questions or to your solution. So that's pretty much it for that. There, down here you can send a voice note, and also you can speak with the AI. Without texting or anything, you can literally speak with the AI by just tapping on that, and if it's connected, you'll be able to speak with the AI, which is crazy. So over here, the profile section, here you pretty much will see the history, all the things that you have asked AI, whether it be you have generated a video, you have asked it to solve a problem, anything. It will be over this section here. So if we go in the settings feature here, this is where you can go to get the pro subscription for this application here. If I tap on the learn more, I'll be able to get the pro and the pro and the max subscription. So as you can see, what we're getting, extended access to image generation, and still you'll be getting access to video generation, but limited features and so forth. And as you can see down here, the prices and the head for everything. So for the max, you pretty much get everything, basically the full rundown of this application, everything. So video generation, everything. So that's pretty much it for that there. And down here you can change your username and so forth. Also add the weekend detail mode, which pretty much anything that they have asked AI won't be showing in this section over here. So that's pretty much it for that there. And yeah, you can also clear the history of the AI, just clear it without uninstalling the application, which most of you usually do. You have the image generation model, which you can also change, which there's a lot here. You have Nano Banana, which is the best I've heard of. None of these other ones here, but you can try the other ones, maybe even better than the one I've recommended here, but it depends on what you want. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you can also change the voice which speaks with you when you're trying to speak with the AI. You can change that, and if you change this option here, the push to talk option here when you're gonna send me voice note. So it all depends upon you. Also, if I go down here, I can change to dark mode as well. So there's some other things here which I can enable, like screen up settings and so forth. Nothing much for that. But if I go back over here and tap on these two pictures at the top here, this is where you're gonna see more information as it relates to everything that's going on around the world. As you can see, quite a lot of information as it relates to top stories, tech and science, finances, everything. So it's also in the sports world, and also in the entertainment world. So just keep you up to date. So very, very, very good application as it relates to AI. Got everything once I got the subscription, and I would recommend you guys testing it out. Give it a try. Also comment below. And if you have any problem at all, you need assistance, you can always go below the video, or you can just send a message. So that's pretty much it. If I missed anything, see you guys in the next one.